Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Myojo, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, one word, for a discount. I think it's 15% off your first order. That's not bad. This is, I don't know why I want to keep calling it Sapporo Ichiban. It is not. This is Myojo. Oh, yeah, Ichiban Ippei-chan. Yeah. So this is Myojo Ippei-chan night market, or night shop, or night something. Sauce yakisoba. So standard tamarind kind of yakisoba. And it comes with the magic. What is the magic? I'll show you. I believe it's karashi. Karashi! Here is the noodle block. And it has a little veg. Wee bit. Wee bit. Oh, come on. 3 minutes. We'll push it down in. There. So this is going to be my wife's lunch today. Yeah, we've got a yakisoba sauce, a garnish, and mayo. And, oh, mayo. There you go. Fancy stuff. I'm excited. Super excited, folks. But yeah. A little too somber. There we go. But yeah, it is Monday. We begin a new week. Anew. And there's a bunch of stuff I'm working on right now. Working on that computer, it's time for me to get that chili crisp list, the roundup, updated, which I'll be doing. I don't know, I got another place that wants to send me chili crisp, and I kind of want to do like a big update all at once, because it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 varieties that'll be added to the already 10. So, and I know where I can get another one. I can get one at the local grocery store. They have a store brand garlic chili crisp, which obviously they don't make, but I'm very curious about that. And I wonder who's making it for them. But yeah, I'll never know, but it sounds interesting. But yeah, Monday. Yep. That's what today is. And I'm gonna get this done, and I've got like 1 package. I got 2 coming today, and I've got another one coming tomorrow. And then I'm gonna do a whole slew of unboxing videos. So that'll be fun. And yeah, that's what I got on the... I also need to start thinking about the top 10 lists, because it's usually the week that April 20, the Monday that closest to April 20th. That's where it ends up. And it is February 17th. So it's coming. It's coming. Alright, so first we drain the noodle. That's what we do now. very well. If this is anything like the other version, there's not really an other version, I don't know, then it will be a 5-star. Okay, so what's in here? If this is spicy, I'm gonna have to forego because I'm making this for my wife's lunch, and she abhors anything spicy. I think this may be shichimi. So, we will see. Yep. No. Oops. Ah, seaweed. We'll add that in. She'll never know. She's not a fan of seaweed either, but it works well. And this stuff is has a very strong tamarind flavor, so it'll kind of cover that up. She'll be fine. But yeah, no spiciness here. There's certain places where I just can't get with spiciness being. Jajang, black bean noodle, no. Can't do it. I think that's just really gross. I don't know. But it just seems like there's certain places where it's like, you could make it spicy, but why? Sometimes it's like spicy, you know, like spicy really doesn't have a place. And honestly, I really don't see it with yakisoba. Like hot and spicy yakisoba? I don't know. Curry yakisoba, nama yakisoba. Anyways, cheers. Mmm. Yes. Bright, warm, tasty, groovy. Okay. Let's work it on out. So there's cabbage and other bits. More cabbage. That didn't work out so well right there, but good enough. And we got an egg. Let's do our little spring onion. Got some really, really nice scallions recently. I did not expect that these scallions would be so great, but these are really nice scallions. Big, thick, mean ones. That floats my boat. I just put that on top. What's funny too is I know she's gonna be like, "Oh, where's the rest of the mayo?" She likes mayo on yakisoba. A lot of people find that odd, but no. It comes with, folks. It's meant to be. So you just get just the corner of the sachet. Oh, come on. You need to kind of do a design with it. Yeah, it's like a mayo mustard combo. It's really good. But I think that's about as far as I dare go. Honestly, if it were me, I would add more stuff. You know, I might kind of... I might do a little more scallion. Right around the edge. I'm not keen on tons of scallion, but I'm gonna have to eat the stuff around the edge. I'll do some seed around the edge too. This one's just a little too wacky. All right. Rotato, do your thing. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. Yeah, this is a really good one. You can find an export version of this in the States, but if you don't have an Asian grocery nearby, you're kind of up the creek without a paddle, so I'm telling you, MIAUBoxJapan.com, coupon code The Ramen Raider. Their boxes are rad. Even if you only get one, you'll be stoked if you want to try new stuff that you haven't tried before. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.